Now Auntie Kate don't come again. No. Today, now wives I call for. Nado. I beg, who tell you say Girondan na food for man? Now only man they enjoy Girondan, woman no they enjoy him. Who tell you say woman no they enjoy him? Now, who tell you say you no fit wear those seductive things seduce for your husband for house? Who tell you like that? Say na sin. Who talk so? If woman for outside fit wear seductive thing, bend neck for your husband, collect money for your hand, you too fit wear that seductive thing, bend neck, bring your husband back to the house. Make una no dull o, giron down your husband well. Allow your husband giron down you. Some of una too complaining. My hand dey pain me, my leg dey pain me, nepa is like. What happen? What be all this complaint for? Why be say when you dey single, when you talk giron down, you go green. Now when you don't marry, when you suppose giron down, you no fit. When you get learner's permit, you dey drive full time. When you get real driver's license, you slow down. What happen? Open up, relax your mind. Let your husband giron down you. I be some of una say, I don't born. Woman when don't born. No, who talk like that? You don't know what you giron down they do for woman after you don't born finish. Oh, they make sure say your body they correct. They clean your body. They make your nunu stand. See, I'm tell you now the importance of giron down. The Trojan War, none of you don't hear of Trojan War. Now because of Queen Helen of Troy, now they fight them. What happened? Giron down. British people, when they change their dynasty to female women, they rule. Now who? Anne Boleyn, we born the same girl where Queen Catherine born. What it make them change them? Giron down. Giron down, they very good. If you change my mind, what it make you think say some young boys, they go friend woman don't born 7 for outside, leave their young wife for house. What it make you think so? Giron down. Learn to giron down your husband. Learn to relax. Make your husband change oil for your body. He good. Come. Spirituality no dey giron down. No say they in the spirit. The man come down from that spirit and let your husband giron down you. If you be governor, before you reach giron down arena, hang that governorship for corner. Giron down your husband as Kate. Giron down your husband as Dorcas where you be. Forget all these things where people they talk about. Your man not tell you say marriage na 80% about giron down. Now giron down you take born the pikin now. So you go just the giron down, you know the street you go they giron down. Not be so. Relax. Stop complaining. Wear those fine sexy things where you know say he go like. Sasoma for the guy front. He go giron down you. If you no agree, when he lie down finish, lie in front of him. Carry one leg, your right leg, put in front of your left leg. Raise your arsenal. Make sure say your arsenal touch in staff of office. Make us see what will happen. If your husband they like bush, make sure say you trim the bush and put all those conditions that go make the thing soft. May you no go cut person. If they like make the road just the whole, make sure you remove all those things from inside. So that the giron down go sweet. See giron down, they not let them deceive you. It's good for woman. It increase their immunity. It make skin they fine. It make body tranquil. To me na insult. Say me a man like that for about 3 months he not touch me. What happen? And I be babe. The babe for outside. What he get one not get? What he get? He get nunu. I get nunu. He get seat of power. I get seat of power. So what is that? My dear, not let woman collect your man for outside because of giron down. No, you marry, you not sabi enough green giron down, you not sabi cook. What did they take you do for us? Decoration? I beg. Make we no dull. Me, I'll be woman like you now. So I go tell you now, learn to relax. Learn to enjoy giron down. If they sweet giron down finish, you they smile. It is sweet.